हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द चैप्टर 1 फॉर क्लास 3 इंग्लिश बुक एंड द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज कलर्स। तो दिस इज द लेटेस्ट बुक जो अभी आई है, इस साल आई है और ये बुक चेंज होने के बाद ऐसी है। सो लेट अस रिसाइट द पोएम। The poem is all about colors as the name suggests here. You have a few crayons, red, yellow and blue, green, purple, and black. I have some too. You have a few crayons, red, yellow, and blue, green, purple, and black. I have some too. You have some crayons. Here the girl is saying, आपके पास कुछ crayons हैं, कुछ crayons मेरे पास भी है। देखो, I need the red and you need the black. I need the red and you need the black. If we share our crayons, we have a full pack. I need the red and you need the black. I need the red and you need the black. If we share our crayons, we have a full pack. यानी अगर हम अपने crayons को शेयर करें तो मुझे अपने दो, मैं तुम्हें अपने क्रेयॉन्स दूं। इस तरीके से जो कलर्स हमारे पास नहीं है वो भी हो जाएंगे। सो हाउ वाज द पोएम? इट्स गुड। लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। राइट योर आंसर्स इन द गिवन स्पेस। हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर देयर इन द पोएम? सो यू विल राइट there are two children in the poem. You can write like this. Why did the children want to share the crayons? क्यों share करना था उनको? As they have few crayons, they wanted to share. क्योंकि उनके पास कम थे, वो share करके उसको ज़्यादा करना चाहते थे. How can the children in the poem have a full pack? They can have a full pack by sharing. The children in the poem shared their crayons. Do you share anything with your friends? What do you share? You can write, yes, I do share. You share your books, lunchbox, pencils, colors. You share your water bottle sometimes, your benches, moreover, isn't it? You have only green, blue, and red crayons. Talk in pairs. What do you want to draw? If you have only green, blue, and red crayons, you can draw grass with the green. You can draw cloud with the blue. And you can draw red apples with the red. Now you have blue, green, red, yellow, brown, and orange crayons. What can you draw? What can you draw? You can take the help from the picture. What can you draw? You can draw this ball because it is having red, blue, yellow, green. So you can draw anything that you like here in the given space. Rearrange the letters to find the hidden color. So these are called the jumble words. इसमें कौन सा कलर छुपा हुआ है वो आपको यहाँ लिख के दिखाना है. So the first one is blue. The second one is Y for yellow. The third one is G for green. Next is P for purple. Next is B for brown. So like this, आपको लिखना है. You have to write here. Now say aloud. This is green crayon. The word green begins with GR and the word crayon begins with CR. So you can write few words from GR and CR here. GR, let's read it. Green, gray, grass, grapes, grandmother. CR is crayon, crab, crane, crow, and cradle. DR is draw, drum, dress, drop, and dragon. PR is prince, princess, prize, pray, present. So इन words को आपको लिख के learn भी करना है. You have to learn the sound as well. You have to make some sentences from these words and say it aloud. Here is one task for you. Look at the words, read out the color but not the words. The word yellow is written in green. So you should read yellow as green instead of yellow for the first word. आपको यहाँ पर एक गेम दिया गया है ना. व्हाट गेम यू हैव टू प्ले इज, ये जो येलो वर्ड है ये ग्रीन में है तो आपको इसको ग्रीन पढ़ना है. मतलब जो कलर है आपको वो पढ़ना है, जो लिखा है आपको वो नहीं पढ़ना. ओके, येलो इज रिटन इन ग्रीन सो यू शुड रीड येलो एज अ ग्रीन. सो आई लेट अस रीड. दिस इज ग्रीन, येलो, रेड, ब्लू. रेड, sky blue, blue or black it is, purple, sky blue, purple, green and red. तो जो कलर लिखा है वो नहीं पढ़ना है, जिस कलर का वो है वो पढ़ना है. So it's a game. Words used to show actions are called action words. So let's do some actions here. आपको क्या करना है, एक्शन वर्ड्स को सर्कल करना है. तो आइए सर्कल करके देखते हैं. In the first line, always start from the first line, top to bottom. Here, cry. So cry करना, रोना एक action है. Face, no. Laugh. Laugh करना, हंसना. This is an action. Swim. ये भी एक action है. This is also an action word. Dig. Wow, again. This is an action word. Write. ये भी action word है. तो सेकेंड लाइन में तो हमें चारों एक्शन वर्ड्स मिल गए. थर्ड लाइन देखते हैं. डांस, इट इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन वर्ड. जम्प, जंप करना भी एक एक्शन है. कैट, नो. लेग, नो. स्लीप, यस, स्लीप करना भी एक एक्शन है. रन, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन. स्माइल, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एक्शन. ईट, ये भी एक्शन है. Play, this is also an action. Book, no, this is not an action. And push, so this is an action. So likewise आपको जो action words है उसको circle करना है. So find the action words. यहाँ पर भी आपको action words इस grid में से निकालने हैं. One has been done for you. So एक आपको करके दिखाया भी गया है. Let's do it. Walk, W-A-L-K. Yawn. So where is yawn? इसको पता करने का तरीका है कि you have to find y. Where is y? You can get yawn. So देखें किसको मिलता है ये. Yeah, here it is. Y A W and N. This is yawn. yawn करना का मतलब होता है जम्हाई लेना. जम्हाई लेते हैं आप. This is called yawning. So here is yawn. आप सुंदर सुंदर कलर से करेंगे. पोर, वेयर इज पोर. अब आप पी ढूंढिए पहले. वेयर इज पी, पी पी. हेयर इट इज, POUR. पोर, पोर का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज में डालना. जैसे आप जग से पानी डालते हैं ग्लास में. यू आर पोरिंग सम वाटर इन द ग्लास फ्रॉम द जग. हेयर इट इज. सो कफ, COUGH, कफ मतलब खांसी होना, सर्दी होना. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड वेयर इज C. लेट अस फाइंड C. आपको मिल गया क्या. हेयर इट इज. सो यू विल गो डाउन. Here it is. This is the word. Okay. Give. Where is G. Find out G. Here it is. So you will color this. GIVE. Okay. C. Here it is. C. देखो कितनी जल्दी जल्दी हमें मिल रहे हैं. So you can do it very easily. You children are very intelligent. Open. Where is O? Here it is. Open. So आप इसको circle कर लेंगे. Yeah, very good. Help. So where is H? There is H. Here it is. So you can find help very easily. You can help yourself. You can help your parents. You can help your friends. So helping others is a wonderful thing, isn't it? Let's move toward the next one. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. ये 26 होते हैं. अगर आपको विश्वास नहीं है, you can count. So let's read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You can sing the ABC. You can sing the ABC. Come on. So let's read A. Anu eats an apple. Here is A. B for Basu. Basu has a bat and ball. C. C for Chandu. Chandu likes cabbage and carrots. Wow. D for Dinesh. Dinesh dances day and night. E for Isha. Isha enjoys an elephant ride. F for Fairs. Fairs feeds a fish. G for Govind. Govind goes to get guavas. Oh my god, they looks like tongue twisters. H for Hari. Hari helped Hemant. So likewise, you'll read all. I write ice cream. Jack jumps down. Kavita keeps the kittens on her knees. Lata loves lemonade. Madhav mixes milk and mango pulp. Navneet writes his name on new books. Om opens a box of oranges. Prema puts a pencil in the pocket. Queue up quietly. Radha rolls the red ribbon. 6 sparrows sit on a sack. The teacher tells a tale. Usha uses an umbrella. Vishnu visits a village in a van. We see a watchman near the white wall. X is the last letter in the ox fox box. Yasmin and Yana are friends. Zebras graze in the zoo. Now, you can also write like this. You can also sing some tongue twisters like I scream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Once again, I scream, you scream, we all scream for the ice cream. Let us arrange some words in the alphabetical order. So what you have to do is, सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? A for apple, then B will come, then C will come, then G will come, and then O will come. So you can write like this, and you will color like this here. Now you have to put these colors in alphabetical order. This is your homework. You can do. First of all, which will come? Here's the clue. B for blue, G for green, P for purple, R for red, and Y for yellow. So I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.